Hey guys, Spores here. I'm going to show you how to get Java and jgrasp installed on your computer at home so that you can write computer programs at your house. Okay, so you're here on my website here. The first thing you're going to do is click on this where it says download the Java JDK. So go ahead and click on that to open that in a new tab. Now, it's going to ask you which version you want. I would recommend Java 17. And after that, you'll pick your operating system. Just go ahead and hit Windows if you have that. If you have a Mac, click on Mac, or Linux, that one obviously. So if you pick Windows, just pick the one that says x64 installer and just click on that and then hit save file. And then that'll either download in the upper right if you have Firefox or at the bottom if you have Chrome. So once that's downloaded, just go ahead and click on that to open. And then that's going to take maybe a few seconds to load. So we'll just wait for a minute and watch it pop up here. So, okay, it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Obviously, the answer is yes, you want to install this. And this will just take a moment to load. So there are two kind of things that you need to download. Yeah, so I've already installed it, so I'm just going to, yes, I want to reinstall it. Probably won't happen to you. There are two things that you need to install. The first one is the Java JDK, and that's this one. Just hit next, save in the default thing. And this just allows your computer to actually build and create and read Java programs. And then we're going to have a different one, which is jgrasp, that will actually let us write the programs. And then JDK kind of is like a way to turn them into a program on your computer. But jgrasp is a program in which you'll write them. So now we'll download jgrasp. So back on my site, it says after it's installed, download jgrasp. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then here again, just scroll down. You can download the top one, it doesn't really matter. If you have Windows here, Mac here, Linux here, obviously. So we have a Windows, so we'll just click on that, open that up. We'll save that again, doesn't really matter. This should install pretty quickly for you, hopefully. So let's see. Next, yeah, that's fine. That's all fine. I don't like messing with these settings, just do the default. This is all fine, I wouldn't change anything there. Yeah, so I already have jgrasp open. But if you don't have jgrasp, it should be fine. And just hit yes and let it compile. Again, you shouldn't get that error because you probably don't have it already. Okay, so once that's done, jgrasp is done, so I'll just hit finish. And now if you just want to check that it works, you can go back to my website here. I put this sample folder in here. So go ahead and click on that, and that will open up just a little file. And then from here, you could just take this and copy paste into jgrasp. So jgrasp probably should have been saved on your desktop, something like that. So you can go ahead and open that up. It might be in your start menu too or whatever. Okay, so if it comes up and asks for data or whatever, just say it's fine. So I'll just make a new Java folder, copy paste in the sample. So I just copy paste in what was off my Google Drive right here. And as long as it works, when you save this as whatever, okay, that's fine. And then just hit compile, then it should compile and say operation complete. So again, if you go to the build compile, it says operation complete, and then you're good. Okay, so once that's done, you're ready to program and write your own Java files on your computer. That's just how to get it set up. Okay, if you have any problems, please talk to me in class or send me an email with a screenshot or something. I'm happy to help, and I'll see you soon.